Hi, this is Tommy Hall with MathNook.com, and I'm here to give a quick overview on how to play our MathPup directions activity. If you're not familiar with MathNook, we have lots of free online math games and puzzle games to play, as well as teaching tools to use, and there's never any membership or sign up required to use these tools or play these games, and everything's free to play and use. Okay, when you first take a look at the game, this is the main menu you'll see, and this is basically a real basic coordinate grid activity where you'll be given the task of, you have initial ordered pair, you're given that, and you'll be given the directions, what's the ending point when you move right, left, up and down a certain amount of places. So I'll show you that in a minute, but I just wanted to kind of give an overview on that. The main menu, the More Games button, if you click that, that will take you to our sister site, lofgames.com, which also has free math, online math games and puzzle games to play, and there's also no membership or sign up required, and everything's free to play. The video button will take you to the page on MathNook that has this video in case you'd like to see it again. Instructions, pretty simple, and I'm going to go over that, so I'm not going to dwell on that too much. And before I show you how to play, I would like to say that if you want to look for this game, you can go to the main page of MathNook, and towards the top there's a listing of all the math skills, and in alphabetical order they're listed, and they're text links, and you'll look for coordinate grid and click on that, and it'll take you to the page that has this game on it. Go ahead and click play, and pretty simple to play. Let me go ahead and turn that off. Very, very simple to play, and you can see how that works. This turns on the sound and the music. I'm sorry, this toggles the sound on and off, and this toggles the music on and off. So if you want to hear the sound effects, you'd leave this on, but you didn't want to hear the music, you'd turn that off. Go ahead and get rid of that. And so this will take you to the main menu, and this will give you a new problem. So what it says, here's a question. The question says, you start at 610, you move left 5 units, where would that end? Well, I know where that ends, but if you wanted a little bit of help, you'd say, okay, 6 across, 10 up, and I move left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 110. And so the way I enter that is if I put a 1 here, and this is highlight showing this is the one that's active. Make this one over here active. And it says you got the correct answer, and it shows just what I did. 610, you started there, you moved over 5, and there's your answer. And you can drag this box in case, sometimes the problem may be underneath here, and you can move it over and down, whatever you like. So let's go ahead and click see the next one, and let's go ahead, and I might want to do this first. I'm going to plug in any answer here, and go ahead and do that, and say nope, I don't want that one. I don't want that one. That's the X removes it. Go ahead and put in that's wrong, and it says oops, the correct answer is 9-1. And you can see if you start at 6 across 1, you move to the right 3 units, 1, 2, 3, you end up at 9-1, which is what that says. And it's a pretty simple activity, but I did want to have this video in case you had any questions, and it does show you the how to enter the points, the numbers in there in the little keypad. So I hope you have fun with this activity. Hope the videos help some, and again, thanks for watching.